Welcome to MADVloggers. Today I'm going to show you some nice trick that you can actually make use of the green screen. So if you do not have those green screen backgrounds or some green screen backdrops wherein you can actually make use of some free software that is available, which is called as Zoom. So I'll show you some quick trick how you can actually make use of Zoom, have a green screen background and embed that green screen or overlay that green screen video over some other video within Premiere Pro, and how you can actually get rid of those green screen and actually embed yourself into some other video. So let's have a quick look at the process, how we can do it. Alright, first thing we do is we try to open the Zoom and set in the background as the green colored screen. Within the green colored screen, I will actually even give you a link to download that. So you start the recording. You can see here, you can just record the video with the messages that you have, and you stop the recording and end the meeting. So as soon as you end the meeting, Zoom will actually convert that meeting recording and it will give you the MP4 file. So once it is completed, you can see here, this is the MP4 file which is generated. So I'll use this, I have recorded this previously, I'll use that file for the demonstration purpose. So other thing you will need is the background. So let's open up a website called as Pixabay. This is one of the websites that I usually use to get free stock videos or clips. So let's search for a background, and it gives in a bunch of different results. From there you can just find out one particular background that you are interested to look in. For this particular demonstration, we'll actually make use of a background called as Office. So what I'll do is, let's go ahead and search for the word Office. So this will give us certain results there. One of the good thing with this particular website is that you don't have to open the page or you don't have to download. You just hover your mouse and it will actually show you preview the clip within that. So once you like that, click on the free download option and select the resolution. Make sure if you use that, you can provide some crediting. So now that we have downloaded everything, and let's open up Premiere Pro. Now within Premiere Pro, I'll click a new project. Let's give it a name, green screen demo. And I'll leave all other settings as default just for demonstration. So it loads a project. Now you can see we can drag in all those files that we need to bring into the project and do the editing. So if I try to play this around, I'll see these are two files. Certainly there might be different based off the resolution and scaling. So what we'll do is, first thing, let's overlay and bring it together at one place. So I'll drag it to the first position and move my cursor and try to bring it to a level. So now it's not scaled, so let's scale it and bring it to the size of the video frame there. If we are happy with this one, you can open the effects. Now if you do not see the effects here, you can actually go to the window and click on effects. This will open up the toolbar, or this will open up the panel there. Now you search for the key or the effect called as ultra key. Drag this ultra key over to the video that has the green screen that you would like to remove. Then go into this option or the properties, and then you click on the color picker and click on green screen, and that's it. Your green screen is gone. So now let's turn on the base, and you can see here now the green screen is removed from that particular video. One thing you can always do is, in terms of the placement of the overlay object you have, you can actually move around and scale and make sure that it actually falls in the correct place in terms of the video that you are using. But for this demonstration, I'll just leave it to that. For this one, I'll go ahead and add in another audio, since I don't want any audio inside. So I'll just trim out, because we don't want to have such a big length of the video. One other thing I like is, at the end of the video, I'd like to fade it out. So I'll use the effect called as exponential fade, and I'll drag it over. So now my video will fade out the music there. So once happy, let's go to export. I will go ahead, leave that to default. Just to the output name, I will put it as a demo output, and let me just search the path. Okay, let's change that name to demo output, and it stores a MP4 file. Click save. I'll leave all other settings at this point of time.
and I'll click export. We'll also have some videos later on wherein it will cover some of the other tools. So do make sure that you subscribe and get some notifications on that. So here's my output. I'm quite happy with that, and that's about it.
All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed and found that useful. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Press the bell icon so you can get the latest notifications. Even this subscribe and the bell icon actually, which was there, was out of the green screen and the similar process in the Premiere Pro, wherein actually we got rid of the green screen background and we did the scaling and we appropriately put it at the right place there. So if you want to know furthermore about such videos, do let us know, and see you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.